Here you go. It's a 2018 Ford Escape SEL four-wheel drive. About 19,000 kilometers on it. Under the hood, 1.5-liter fuel-efficient EcoBoost 4-cylinder motor, 6-speed automatic, reverse sensing, backup camera, power liftgate there. We do have trailer tow for you. Remote entry. Inside we have leather power heated front seats. We have a panoramic roof. Usual power goodies. Bluetooth. Voice navigation. Very nice find that you're going to find. Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.